toilet stains with denture tablets. Drop them in, let them sit for 10 to 30 minutes, and scrub. Sick of scuffs on your floors? Take a clean tennis ball and wipe them up. They'll be gone in a moment. If you have rusted pots and pans, take half a lemon, add some baking soda, use it to scrub, and you will remove the stains in seconds. Is your fan full of dust? An old pillowcase. You can use it to dust the fan, and it will collect the dirt inside of it instead of pushing it around the entire room. When done cleaning, put the toilet bowl scrubber between the seats in order to let it dry and not mold. Add dryer sheets to your shoes near the door, so guests will be greeted by fresh laundry instead of your workout. If your carpets stink, spray a little bit of baking soda across it. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then vacuum. Place a trash bag roll in the bottom of the can. Pull out a bag and leave it attached to the roll. Then, when it's time to replace, you simply remove it, rip it off, and put a new one on. An endless supply of bags, grab a lint roller and roll it across your lampshades. It will remove and pick up any dust and dirt. Follow for more cleaning tips.
If you have ADHD, then you have to try these home hacks that I recently started doing that have changed the game for me. So instead of having the chair that collects all my clothes, I have a two-sided hamper where I can put dirty clothes and then clothes that need to be stored away when I'm trying things on. Next is putting my vitamins next to my toothbrush so I never forget to take them. Third is set up ambient lighting so it doesn't disrupt my sleep at night. And finally, setting up these little baskets with hooks so that I have a permanent place for my keys and I never misplace them.
Show me the life hack that you randomly saw one day that is now an unconscious standard practice in your life. I'll go first.
Never put food in the air fryer again. Very unclean. Air fryer is difficult to clean. Try this air fryer tin foil tray, made of food grade materials. Not only heats evenly, but also can be used repeatedly. Do you like it?
So I just learned that if you drill a hole into the side of your garbage can, it does something magical. All right, so just go ahead and drill yourself a little hole. If I can get her in there. Oh yeah. Okay, and then a little hole like that, just somewhere on the side of your garbage can so that it's hidden. And go get yourself a little garbage bag. Put her in there. All right, now go find yourself a vacuum and use the hole. And put it into the hole here. And it's going to start suctioning in the bag. See all the air coming out? Look at that. It suctions your bag right to the trash.
Ever tried dryer sheets to clean your dusty blinds? Instead of dusting, grab yourself a dryer sheet and wipe them down with the dryer sheet. This creates a layer on your blinds that will help keep the dust from sticking to it for months. Follow me for more tips around the house.
I have a solution for you and a decluttering tip and trick. So if you're someone that gets super attached to things, I want you to try this. I want you to grab a grocery-sized bag and head to any closet, drawer, or room in your house. Go through it, and anything that you're not sure if you should keep or get rid of, put it in the bag. Put the bag out of sight in your garage, in the basement, anywhere that you know you're not going to see it for a little while. Then in about 2 months, go back and grab that bag. First, see if you can even remember what's in the bag. That's your first sign. Secondly, if you go through it and you realize you haven't even used those things, it's time to let go.
3 ways to reduce visual clutter in your kitchen. First, get a nice soap dispenser. Most packages are bright and distracting. We all sometimes need to hand wash some dishes, and instead of colorful mat, switch to neutral silicone one, which is super easy to clean and better to look at. And third, get prettier dish sponges or scrubs and use neutral sponge holder. I repurposed one of my mugs and I think it looks amazing.